What's happening YouTube? It's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Nike Dunk Low SP in the Community Gardens colorway. This pair dropped on September 10th for a retail price of $100 US or $135 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is multicolor, cardinal red, midnight turquoise, and lemon wash. And this continues another super hot dunk release coming from Nike. I gotta say, these dunks are probably one of the most unique looking releases of the year. It sort of has a bit of that Travis Scott SB vibe in that it's done in this patchwork fashion using a wide array of patterns and colors. So the majority of the upper of this shoe is constructed using canvas. This canvas has a very texturized but washed out feel to it. And as you see, starting things off with the toe box, this area is done in this washed red or burgundy color. And if you look closely, the canvas itself actually incorporates a wide array of colors, which gives off a bit of that vintage vibe. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, here we have this washed out turquoise colored canvas, and you'll see the canvas itself incorporates this sort of floral pattern. And the interesting thing about this is that no two shoes are identical, and even the patterns on my left shoe and the right shoe are completely different. Running up the center of the shoe where the eyelets are, the canvas here is done in this washed yellow color, and you'll see these 4 floral graphics here as well. Below this, the canvas here has a bit of a lighter shade, but again, it incorporates that random looking floral print. Overlaid on top, we have this lemon washed colored swoosh, and this swoosh has a very sturdy and very stiff feel to it, and it almost feels like there's a layer of paint on top of the canvas. Moving further back, we have more of that washed red or burgundy colored canvas, and again we have those hits of green and red. And then on the back heel, we have that yellow canvas with the Nike wordmark embroidered in red, along with that washed turquoise colored canvas underneath. For the laces, so there's only one pair of laces on this shoe. They come with these flat laces done in this washed out yellow color. Underneath the laces, we have this full canvas tongue that's done in this turquoise color. And at the top, we have this off-white colored nylon tag with Nike branding embroidered in red. Pulling out the insoles, these come with a red colored insole with Nike branding on the heel. And then moving on, the upper of these dunks sits atop this off-white colored midsole, which I really appreciated, giving the shoe a little bit of a breather because the upper was so wild. And then turning the pair over to the bottom, here we have your classic dunk outsole. This is done in this washed out green colored rubber and incorporates these multicolor hits of speckles, which reminded me of the soles found on the Space Hippie collection. This is finished off with Nike branding right in the center. So that breaks down the look of this shoe. For those wondering how these fit, so I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in my true size 10, and I'd say that they fit me pretty good in a slightly snug way. I want to clarify, this is not a Nike SB dunk, this is just your regular Nike sportswear version. So usually for non-SB dunks, I stick true to size with size 10, and I feel like because of this canvas material, it felt a little bit more snug width-wise straight out of the box. But the more you break down this canvas, the more you wear it in, it'll be a bit more forgiving, so my recommendation would be sticking true to size. Next up, in terms of comfort, so the Dunk Low is nothing special. There's pretty much no technology within the shoe. So with that said, it gives you a very flat, very low to the ground feel, but don't expect too much from a softness and cushioning standpoint. Last but not least, talking about the quality and the craftsmanship on this pair, overall I'd say that I was pretty happy. This canvas material isn't your traditional leather or suede, but it felt pretty decent in hand, and the actual craftsmanship on this pair was perfectly fine for me. With all that said now, let's lace up these Community Garden Dunk Lows, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. The popularity of the dunk continues to rise throughout 2020, and this shoe definitely added fuel to the fire. This is a very wild and very unique looking pair, and I like that Nike's kind of stepping out of their comfort zone and giving us something a little bit new, something fresh and different. For me though, I think this is a pair that's a little bit hard to wear, and from a color choice perspective, I like the look of this shoe, but it's not going to be one of my top 10 releases of the year. With that said though, I'm curious to know what you guys think of this pair. Did you guys manage to pick up a pair for retail, or did you guys pass altogether? How do you feel about this canvas material and the random patterns found between shoe to shoe? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this review, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.